Duncan, we're here with the head of the yellow Bora that we were looking at earlier. Can you please tell us what condition it was in when it arrived and what's been done up to this point?
The engine had been race prepared. And it had been fitted with different valves, different guides. There was some damage to the cylinder head as well. Namely, one of the camshafts, the journals, had too great a clearance,
right.
So we had to machine the camshaft, what we call metal spray to build up the size of the journal,
yes.
And then line bore the head and the caps.
Yes.
We put new valve guides in, which we have our own valve guides made out of a metal called Calcibro. It's the best material that we found.
Durability.
For durability, yes. For longevity and lubrication.
Yes.
Obviously new valves, stainless steel valves. We'll retain the original valve seats on this, the bronze valve seats on this engine. They're in good condition, but we will recut them and then lap the new valves in.
Okay. Then what is next after this?
After this will actually be epoxy impregnated.
Right.
We've had all the machining work done now. You can see we've machined the cylinder head true, and these exhaust ports, they've been machined true.
Yep.
The block and the cylinder head have been solder blasted. We found that's the best way to get every last piece of dirt and paint off of the castings.
Yeah.
It will then be sent off for epoxy impregnating to deal with any porosity.
That's brilliant, because that's been an issue, and this is a very interesting method that Andy was explaining to us earlier.
Yes. Yeah. It's just a foolproof way of stabilising the aluminium castings. And as the cars get older, the coolant just seems to be able to get through the aluminium, and the epoxy impregnation, which is actually quite a well-known industrial process. Not many people seem to use it for an automotive application.